Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we explained the Incoming tab inside System Settings, including Manifest Settings, Incoming File Numbering, Cost and Revenue Validation, Captions, and General Incoming Settings. In this video, we will move to the Quotation tab. To access it, from the System Settings screen, click on Quotation from the left-hand side menu. The quotation settings control several default behaviors related to quotation documents, hotel tariff display, children age labels, hotel rates, transportation mileage, and room type selection. We will start with the slogan for the hotel tariff. This field defines the slogan text that appears in the hotel tariff document. Any text entered here will appear directly below the company details in the hotel tariff header. For example, we can write something like, "The Destination Management Company Specialists. Discover the beauty of Jordan with us." This slogan will then appear when generating the hotel tariff from rates, then hotels, then hotel tariff. Now we move to the General Settings section. The first field is Classification Caption. This allows us to change the title of the quotation classification field. For example, if the company uses the term program type, we can enter program type here, and the system will use this caption in the quotation general page. Next, we have Children Ages 1. This field defines the label for the first children age range. For example, we can set it as 2 to 6. Then we have Children Ages 2. This field defines the label for the second children age range. For example, we can set it as 6 to 12. These age labels are used in the Hotel Policies section under Hotel Rates, especially when defining child-related hotel policies and child pricing. Next, we have Make by default the group rate equal to the fit rate after changing the fit rate. When this option is enabled, the system will automatically make the group rate equal to the fit rate for the same season whenever the fit rate is entered or updated. This is used in the Hotel Rates screen, especially inside the Rates tab. It helps reduce manual work when the company wants the group rates and fit rates to start with the same value, and then adjust them later if needed. Next, we have Calculate the additional mileage by default. When this option is enabled, the extra mileage calculation option will be checked by default in the Quotation Transportation tab. This means that the system will automatically calculate additional kilometers when the used kilometers exceed the allowed kilometers based on the transportation setup. Finally, we have Use Hotel Room Types from the Hotels page. When this option is enabled, the system restricts room type selection in quotations to the room types already defined in the hotel account page. After updating any of these settings, click Save to apply the changes. This completes the explanation of the Quotation tab in System Settings. In the next video, we will continue with the next Settings tab. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.